Right now, above your head, are some of the most advanced biological machines on Earth. Birds didn't just learn how to fly, they mastered it. Flight isn't flapping, it's physics. A bird's wing is shaped like an airfoil, curved on top, flatter underneath. Air moves faster above the wing than below it. Pressure drops, lift is created. The sky pulls them upward. Some birds beat their wings up to 80 times per second. Others barely flap at all, surfing invisible rivers of warm air called thermals. Their bones are hollow, but not weak. Reinforced where stress matters, empty where weight doesn't. Birds don't fall into the sky, they are built for it. Watch a flock move. Thousands of bodies turning as one. No leader, no signals, no plan. Each bird follows just a few rules. Don't collide, match speed, stay close. From simplicity, order emerges. The shapes confuse predators. The group survives. Nature invented swarm intelligence long before humans named it. Now look inside their heads. Small brains, extraordinary minds. Neuron for neuron, some birds rival primates. They recognize human faces, remember thousands of food locations. Teach their young by watching. Intelligence was never about size, it was about efficiency. They also see what we can't. Many birds see ultraviolet light, colors hidden from human eyes. To them, feathers glow with signals. Flowers reveal invisible landing guides. Trails left behind shine like arrows. Some birds see 4 dimensions of color. We see a picture, they see a map. Listen closely. Birdsong isn't noise, it's language. Songs mark territory, warn danger, attract mates, declare identity. They don't just communicate, they perform. Every year, birds attempt journeys that sound impossible. Across oceans, across deserts, across continents. No GPS, no maps. They navigate by the sun, the stars, Earth's magnetic field, smell, memory. Some fly for days without landing, sleeping mid-air with half their brain awake. They leave places they've never seen to reach places they've never been, and somehow, they arrive. Birds are not decoration. They pollinate, control insects, and spread life. When birds disappear, something is already wrong. They are not background life, they are messengers. And sometimes the most advanced beings on Earth are the ones we barely notice, until they take flight.